Okay, so my tent showed up from Instant Promotion. We're gonna see what all it comes with. There we go. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got a bag, got another bag, a Pro Expo roller bag. I don't know. Those are the walls. At least it should be the walls. So let's see how this comes out. Hopefully it all comes out awesome. Let's hope that it's actually mine. I'm sure it is. But you know how things change when you're looking at it online as opposed to in person, I'm sure. I'm doing it inside my shop here because it's cold outside. Well, this looks like just the canopy. It's just the frame. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's literally just the frame. So I guess instructions, maybe. Let's see what we got. This is just the roller bag. Okay. Right on. That's going to help out a lot, I'm sure. Come on, man. You're in my way. This is the tent and 3 walls. Okay. Well, maybe there's instructions inside here. I mean, it can't be that difficult to put together. Dude, that's going to look so cool. Yes, that's amazing. Oh, that looks so good. Okay. Let's see. What do you want? Get off me, dude. Get off. Place the canopy in the center of the area. Move. Have 2 people stand on opposite sides. Are you a people? Back up. Lift up off the ground. Do the thing. Build the canopy. I guess that's what we're going to do. So we're just going to build the canopy because that's what it says. All right. That's all cardboard. Went with the black rails. They're supposed to be, was it anodized aluminum? That's pretty gnarly. All right. Awesome. This thing is freaking beefy, man. It's got 2-inch legs. I don't need 2 people. I could do it myself. Look at that. Ugh. All right, let's move some of this stuff out of the way. All right, so let's place canopy on top. How do I know what the canopy is? Is that a canopy? Just a canopy? Yeah. The big one. That's got to be a canopy. Yeah, there we go. Dude, that's going to be looking awesome. Look at that. All right. Yeah. That's it. All right. That's a corner. Is this a corner? That's a corner over here somewhere. You want to, I'm trying to help there, bud. Dude. Let's see. I got my tent or my canopy for the vendor shows. That's awesome. That's me. Now we just got to figure it out. How about that? Now we can start moving stuff. Okay. We're getting close. Well, the goal was to be able to do this myself. Let's see if we can do it by myself here. All right. Let's see what's it say. Grasp the bottom of the diamond shown. All right. Lift up and step backwards until shelter is fully opened. All right. I could do that. We're getting there. Okay. What are you doing, man? Let's see. Is there a little clasp thing that I need to have in here? Well, I can do it myself. It's just getting this first step done, I guess. I don't know. Where's the canopy piece? That's got to go right here, right? Maybe. I'll just push up in the middle. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. We're getting there. Just a little bit more. All the way up. Come on. That's the left side or a side. We can do it to this one too. That's that one. That one's done. Dude, let me just make sure these ones are here. And we snap in place. What? There we go. That's that one, right? I think. Sweet. Man, that thing is massive. Okay, now what? I snapped it in the stuff. There's that side. Instead of trying to pull this whole thing, there's that side. All right, I think we're almost there. Now we push it up. Almost. This is definitely a little bit harder with one person. Yeah, that's a little bit of a struggle here. There we go. Bam. Dude, that is gnarly. That is too cool. Do the legs come up? They do. You just have to lift them. Okay. Man, that's a whole lot of room. That's definitely a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. We do have cool vents in there, though. That's awesome. So how do I do the legs? Just pull the pin. Yeah, little by little. All right. So we just slowly move it up. Okay. How does this thing go? All right. So you can set whatever height you want. Now we should have our 3 walls. Hopefully that came out looking good up there. Okay, so I got these walls, so that way I keep everybody out of the rain if it rains, and I keep my boards good if it does rain. There we go. That's not bad. I'll lower it all the way down. Let's see. Don't mind the mess. It is a work in progress, people. All right. Now let's see if I can zip this thing up from the outside here. Yeah, there we go. We kind of know what we're doing. Maybe a little bit. Awesome. That's nice. The Velcro alternates, so it's not always the same height on the left side and the right side of the walls here. It's pretty sick. That's pretty sick. Just want to make sure all this looks good. And the last bit. Let's see. There she is. And that looks really good. We're going to set everything out here, get all our tables and everything so we can mock up how we're going to have it at our show. Can I reach that? I can. Man, that looks really good. It doesn't stink. It doesn't have that chemical smell that most of these things have. Go, Bruce. Come on, go. Man, that's a lot of room. I think this needs to go up one more. Yeah, there we go. That's pretty amazing. What are you crying for? Look at that. Nice view on the side. There's the back. Go up here and see. Absolutely, that's gnarly. Man, that looks good. Plenty of room in here, too. Look at that. It's 10 by 10, but it feels big as it's tall.